Okay, let's make this quick. So in this video, we did a chair that was, we were supposed to do 2 years ago for my wife's mother. We procrastinated on it because we had a lot of work coming in. We blasted it a year after we got it, and another year after that, we're powder coating it. My wife is the one that's gonna powder coat this. This is gonna be her first project, and she did a real good job on it. Also, about 2 weeks, we have a collaboration with a special guest that's going to be coming here to our shop. So we'll have videos up on that. We also are about to hit 500 subscribers. After we do that, we will do the giveaway. And a couple of videos ago, I showed what we were giving away, the hat and stuff. Last but not least, this video is not edited, not cut up. It's just raw footage. Just because I don't want to take the time to do it because I'm busy. So enjoy. Hey guys, so we're doing a chair project. You'll notice like a year ago, I started this chair project for Lydia's mother, and it got pushed to the side because we had other work coming in. So today we're gonna finish up the chair, which we've had blasted for almost a year, and a little dog sign for her. So right now, of course, we've already done the blasting. We used a pop blaster. Now we're going to be just cleaning it up with some Eastwood after prep, or Eastwood paint prep. Okay, so for the chair and the sign, we're going to do a base coat of prismatic gold. You have the bags on one side. And we're going to do a top coat of glitter balm.
You had the camera on the wrong side. More?
No, you don't want to be above at the middle thing. You want to be right at the top.
Is that
Perfect.
okay?
Yep, that's good. Is it sticking enough for you?
I think so.
Okay. And you can move the cart, remember, to turn it, because you ain't gonna be able to go around the whole cart. But easy, because that's all on very thin. Okay. Go ahead.
That's a lot, honey.
Yeah, but look how thin it is. You're not putting on thick enough. So now you can just go around. That'll be easier for you.
You got the top of it above you where you're at is the top of the
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
done. Look at me.
Looks
So you can
beautiful.
see underneath there. You can still see underneath. You see underneath, you can't see it. There's not a transparent color. Put your hand on the bottom. And you have it a little thick, remember.
It doesn't drip?
No.
No.
Oh, look at that guy.
And we also can pick it out and do another coat too, but I'll just at least get a nice. Okay. So we just got it out. We're gonna give it a light coat because there was some Faraday cage spots. But now we're gonna just give it a light coat. I'll give it a little more air. That should help you. So we went through and hit all the Faraday cage area. And now we're gonna just give it a nice even coat.
Whoops. Can you move it for me, please?
Yeah, which way? Bullet hole. I like the silky look that it has right now. Where it's still a little warm to where it's starting to barely fall out, but it gives a silk look. You get up in your corners, babe. Yep. Make sure all your rails get the bottom.
I have to go over there and do them.
Okay.
Can we do one more base then?
Yeah, thicken up the rails too. Watch out, you don't want to hit it too hard. Don't let my cords sit on that hot corner. That's why I tell you to stay over there in the
Well,
corner.
can you move it for me then?
Yeah, I just need to know where.
Oh, I want it facing me. Okay, one more time.
You know what the placement of that bullet hole, I wonder if the history of that.
spots.
Yeah.
Remember, you can have it a little thick. Yeah. Take all the shiny out, back up a little bit here, show it close. You want to hit everything so you don't have any more.
I think I got pretty much everything.
Okay. Okay, do this other one. Go ahead.
So DJ, how old is your bomb?
The what?
How old is your bomb?
How old?
Your husband bomb.
World War II. Honey. Back up a little bit. Get your close. Right.
Did you do a picture?
Try to start right here, that way the video, honey. And we'll move the thing to get you over here.
Do you see all the sparkles?
Start here. There.
This is gonna look so good.
I'll just give you up there. Just let me move out for you. Just tell me when. No, because I want you to keep on the video. So like even
Okay.
here. You're right here.
All these cords. Hold on.
God, look at it.
And you can have it kind of thick, not powdered to where it sets on it, but you can have it thick. Can you see the gold sparkles?
I can, it looks awesome.
That's
Oh
fucking
my
amazing.
God.
The fucking sparkles are just falling out of the air, they're so heavy.
Here, look at the floor. Looks like New York City at Christmas time.
Yay!
Good job on the back.
Look at the sea.
Let's do more on the back too if you get it. Oh, I see you. Go under. Go under and do the back, and then I'll turn around and go under and do the front. Go under, go down, do
I
the back.
can't see the.
I know you can't
What's
see
that
it, but
gonna hit you?
just get what you can, and then I'll turn it, and you'll do the front. Okay?
Oh my God, it's perfect. Is it perfect?
Sizzling on the floor because the floor's still wet. The tires.
Wow.
Because the powder's on there.
Wow, it looks perfect.
Wait till it hits the sunlight.
Is it warm over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything radiates. Okay, let me see.